What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. This is your midweek sit rep, and man, did we have a killer session today. We're going to talk about charts, stocks, and the AI bot from yesterday. We're going to test it out and see how that bad boy performed today. But what I need you to do right now is hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you to come along with us on the journey. Check the description tab, all the tools and tidbits and all the links for Traders War Room products and services right there at your fingertips, guys. What are you waiting for? If you're ready to rock with us and make some money in this stock market, then all I need to say to you is follow me and let's go to war. Legal disclaimer, this is not financial advice. The content is for entertainment and education purposes only. You're responsible for every decision you make. We want you to have fun, use caution, and always go to war. Check out one of our affiliates, Maximus Global. They sell a slew of products that deal with black garlic, and they deal with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, boosting the immune system, fighting effects of common cold, maintain healthy heart, maintain healthy cholesterol, blood and sugar levels. It goes on and on and on. And if you're interested in more details on this wonder product, check the website out. Use that product code to get some discounts, and they got all the testimonies and stuff so you can do your research on the wonders of black garlic. Check it out today. And hey, we got something special, man. We got a possible job opening, okay? We are looking for a graphic arts manager. And if you're invested in that type of industry and you want to get more information on what we're looking for, maybe you can help us out and we can help each other out, email us for more details on that, because we are looking to hire someone that is involved with graphic arts, making great products. And stay tuned at the end of the video. We got the TWR new features, promotions, and events that we are excited to present to you. Check out traderswarroom.com, the true one-stop shop website hub for all products and services related with Traders War Room. Something for everyone over there and something for every budget. Come check it out today. Don't forget to check out our flagship, the Traders War Room Discord. Free and paid services right there over the Discord. Our members are stellar. We have a fantastic community, and we are making a killing in any type of market, especially markets that are volatile. We got the free and paid services, guys. But listen, the good stuff obviously is on the premium side. And right now, we're giving you guys a 5-day trial with Premium 2.0 to check it out, make a decision, and hopefully come over to the team and make that money. These are just a few of the products and services that we offer over at Traders War Room. Our classes are second to none, and man, we put quality content into each and every one of our classes for an affordable price. Truly, every battle needs a plan, and we want you to build your plan with Traders War Room, and you can do that with our classes. They're all on the website. Check them out, traderswarroom.com. With that said, guys, we want you to invest in yourself in 2022. We hope you do that with Traders War Room. Check us out, man. We got a lot going on, and let's get into the main bulk of the video right now. The Buzz Report, what's hot and what's not in the stock market. Here's how your markets close. Big caps closed green, NASDAQ closed red, and the S&P closed slightly red. Looking for hopefully a boom tomorrow so we can get some hard rockets going to the moon and get some of that bull trading that we all love. Picture representation of the lay of the land. You can kind of see what was green, what was red, and looking for those bounces in those particular sectors, hopefully some reversals. ETF sector map, not looking too bad. China definitely taking a beating, and we don't see that lightening up anytime soon. So we're still a little bit bearish on those Chinese stocks, but we're looking for some reversals in some of the stocks that were borderline greenish reddish. So definitely paying attention. Total premium, calls versus puts, a lot of money flowing into Tesla, a lot of money flowing out of Netflix. And of course, you got your Qs, CVS starting to pop in there, Tesla, SPY, Facebook, the big boys, money's being moved. We want to follow the smart money because that's where the sentiment goes. Industry performance, communication services, and consumer discretion were the biggest losers. Real estate and consumer staples, the biggest winners today. Trending stocks, and we're going to talk about some of these in the chart section, but definitely these are the ones that are moving and shaking and making the biggest moves as far as what people are looking at, what people are putting money into, and what's flowing. Here's your futures. We're green right now, but remember, these are just a plan to get things in motion, okay? You cannot take these as gospel. These are not set in stone. These fluctuate, but looking at these and taking it and developing a plan and having a strategy for when a market bell rings, that's the big point. So hopefully we have some great momentum going in the direction we want to trade. Top news, Netflix sell-off is the latest in Wall Street retreat from steaming. So the collapse in Netflix stock on Wednesday after the company reported its first loss of customers in a decade is the latest drastic sign that Wall Street is abandoning streaming services and other pandemic winners and questioning whether they still merit growth stock valuations. So we're definitely paying attention to it. You saw some decline in, Netflix type of stocks, and the other streaming ones, had Disney was on that one as well. You saw some Amazon coming down a little bit. So we're paying attention to it. And definitely at these lower levels, they are intriguing to some of the bigger investors. But, how much low can it go and where will the bottom be at? That's the big question. We got to pay attention to it. Elon Musk back in the news. He scores a hat trick of Tesla compensation goals worth $23 billion. So with Tesla's strong quarterly report on Wednesday, Chief Executive Elon Musk has scored a hat trick of performance goals with combined $23 billion in new compensation. The world's most valuable car maker posted March quarter revenue and profit that surged way past Wall Street's estimates as it raised prices in response to inflation, offsetting the impact of a Shanghai factory shutdown. So we are paying attention. Tesla has to be on the radar, and other EV sectors that ride Tesla's coattails, you got to pay attention to them. And last news story, Amazon, SpaceX, they snagged NASA's space communications contract. So Amazon Satellite Venture and SpaceX Starlink Network and other satellite firms on Wednesday won a combined $278 million in contracts from NASA to demonstrate communications in space as the U.S. Space Agency moves to replace its current satellite network in orbit with privately built systems. Guys, this is the time you need to start paying attention to those space stocks again. I know they've taken a beating, but it's time to dust them off. Take a look at them and start following the ones that have great valuations and forward progress in their innovation products that they have for the future of the space communication and space travel. All right, enough news. Let's talk about some stocks. SPY kicking off. I got you some trigger levels right there. You got your top level, looking for some bullish calls if we start closing above there, and some bearish calls if we start closing below the level in the red. So we're definitely paying attention to the SPY as it likes to bounce around a lot, but we're hoping that we get some remnants of some bullish sentiment, especially with Tesla pulling some big numbers. So hoping that we get a lot of movement on some different things and get some investors excited coming in, knowing that, even during this inflation and the supply and demand type of issues, there's companies out there that are doing things right and making money. So we'll see what happens at the bell tomorrow. This is an interesting ETF. You guys need to start paying attention to it. It doesn't move as dramatically as some of the other ones, but we got you some levels right there. In TLT, you got to be able to pay attention to it. I think that we got a little bit of a bearish side to this particular one, but we got both levels. We got a trigger for the bull and a trigger for the bear, but if I had some betting on this one, I would be betting that we're probably going to end up closing to the downside on this particular ticker. All right, so Tesla, guys, we already heard the news about Tesla. They blew past their estimates. You cannot count Tesla out. I got some trigger levels there for you for Tesla that we're looking. The red is the bottom level. The green is the upper level. Guys, if we start to see the momentum moving either up or below those trigger levels, you need to start considering that we got a direction in a particular stock. But I'm looking forward to seeing this, and I got a feeling we're going to have some fireworks tomorrow. After earnings just demolished Netflix, we got some levels, okay? And we look like we're consolidating a little bit down here, which I got a feeling at these lower levels, this is drawing some interest into investors, okay? We got to remember Netflix is a juggernaut regardless of user slowdown. They got tons of revenue that comes in from advertising. And you know what? Netflix is going to be okay, all right? They're going to fix it. I bet they got a team working on this problem right now. So I'm a little bit of a bullish long term and just a bear short term on Netflix, but we got some trigger levels right there for you to keep levels that you can potentially make some money on some directional trading. Facebook, I'm liking what I'm seeing with Facebook. We got, some downward pressure coming, but I do like the pattern that I'm starting to see formed. And I think that we're going to close this week strong. I got a feeling if we start to close above that top lever trigger, we'll get a little nice reversal closing out the week to the bull side. And hopefully we can close extremely strong so we can start this full-fledged reversal and start closing that gap that we had from a few months back. UAL definitely had a decent push up, and it was a nice push for the airline industry. I do think UAL pulls back a little bit, so I'm a little bearish on this one. I think it's a little too much too soon as far as UAL is concerned. I think after the hype wears off, we start to pull back down and we see 49s and 48s again here very soon. DraftKings. Now, I'm a little unsure. DraftKings, it's kind of a 50-50 bet. I put some triggers about spaced out evenly. This all depends on the momentum and the flow that's going on. So you got to really pay attention to it and the sentiment that's coming into DraftKings. It could consolidate here for a while. And I do think if we start to get some volume and some bullish sentiment coming into these speculative type trades, I think DraftKings will do very well. So I got some trigger levels there for some bull calls, and I got the triggers for some put calls as well. Snap, man, it's just a matter of time before this thing just explodes. I'm a big bull on Snap, and so I got all hope that Snap covers the top level trigger. We start closing above that, and then it's time to go long on this particular ticker. I do like this one for share accumulation at these lower levels, so definitely thinking about going long and developing your position in Snap. Disney's down and out, but listen, guys, you cannot count them out for the count. Disney is going to pop back up, and I got a feeling that as soon as they get out of politics and they start getting back to what they do, and that's creating fantastic lifelong memories for people, I think Disney starts to track to the upside. So I'm a bull on Disney. I do think that while they're still dealing with this politics stuff, they'll have some downward pressure associated with it, but once we get through that and the hype wears off, Disney's going to roll, reverse, and it's going to the upside. CCL, I like this one for continuation. Now, this one's more of a higher risk to the upside trade because we did have a push and it doesn't like to stay at the higher levels here recently very long, but I think it's time. Okay, we've been trending up. We kind of broke out of our pattern, and I like this for continuation to the upside, so I'm bull on CCL. Now, I keep preaching that we got the best Traders War Room AI algorithm bot out there on the market. One of the reasons it works on any type of platform you trade on. Another one is we got a proprietary algorithm that is second to none, and I want to test it, okay? So here's some of the trades from yesterday, and we're going to check them and see how they did in the market today and see if we truly got something special or if we just got something that's a dud. So that first ticker that we had there was XLF, right? And as you see, the bot is a killer on this trade right there. The blue line is where the bot signaled to go in. And as you see, it peaked out at 38.15 today. That's almost $1 moving on that trade. That's money every day of the week, anywhere you look at it. And it closed way above the entry. Bot killed XFL or XLF. Next one on that list was Home Depot. Again, blue lines where it entered. Look at Home Depot today. Boom, I'm telling you guys, 306 was the entrance, 316, $10 movement. Once again, another one bites the dust, and the bot absolutely smashed this. And if you would have got in on this trade, just imagine the contracts or even the shares that you could have made per share, the money made per contract. And finally, Qcom. Now, look, Qcom did close lower than our entry point, but if you notice, the entry point came in yesterday and it spiked up all the way up there to 144, okay? From 141 to 144, that's a $3 move. Guys, listen, this bot is a sniper, okay? And it is making a killing. These were just random ones that I chose, and then I looked at the chart. This happens every day. So the only true question is really, what are you guys waiting for, man? Traders War Room equals bank for you. You guys need to join the team. Quit wasting your money on other things and come join us so you can rock these fantastic alerts that we have and make this money and grow, learn, and share your portfolio as a team. All right, guys, that's the main bulk of the video. Now we're going to talk about new features, promotions, and events that we have and we're excited for at Traders War Room. As stated earlier, we got a possible job opening. We're looking for a graphic arts manager, someone that's good with making, creative designs, making creative videos, stuff that really pops and draws attention for marketing and advertising and social media type of platforms. If that's you, hit us up via email or in the comments and let us know, and we'll talk some business. We already told you we got the 5-day trial with Premium 2.0. Listen, we do got free services, but the good stuff is on the premium side. And if you want some of those hot alerts like I just showed you with the algorithm bot or some of the other alerts that we had, killed pins, Snap, American Airlines, the list goes on and on and on. If you want that in your life and you want to make money along with us, take advantage of the 5-day trial and come over to Premium 2.0 today. We took April off from our formal classes, but we got classes in the works to kick May off with a bang, guys. We got a supply and demand zone class. We got trading futures and we got trading divergence. These were all specifically asked from you, the viewers, and we're making these happen for you guys. So look forward to these when they come out, and we will blast them all over social media so you can be informed, get spun up, and we'll get these kicked out with the excellent content and quality that we always provide with every class we have. Book your Traders War Room one-on-one mentoring. It focuses on you, and you can book today at traderswarroom.com. We are filling up quick. We are starting to get heated up in the marketplace, and people are starting to get interested again, and this is the time for you guys to refine a strategy, develop a new plan, or increase your profitability. And guys, if you just want some confirmation from professional traders that you're doing the right stuff and you're on the right path, we got you covered, man. Book today at traderswarroom.com and invest in yourself. And guys, if you want Traders War Room alerts on your platform, DM or email me for details. Listen, we have a slew of just alerting bots out there, okay? It's not just my alerts, man. I have a team, and we got all sorts of alerts out there. We got futures, we got spreads, crypto, Forex, you name it, we got it. If you're interested in getting these fire alerts on your server and making money for your members, hit me up, and we'll talk some business, and we'll get you squared away. With that said, that's the video, and all I got to ask you guys, are you ready for war? If you are, join Traders War Room today, a true one-stop shop for all traders and investors. We want you to invest in yourself in 2022. We hope you do that with Traders War Room. And with that said, hey, here's Rocket, our official Traders War Room battle buddy. He wants to remind you guys that at Traders War Room, we look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sectors, those are our battles. We do it together as a team. Attack, conquer, destroy, and we're always going to war. If that sounds good and you're ready to rock with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war together.